Oh boy, that's windy today. But I still have to light the fire in my wood stove because this wind will bring some really cold weather. In the next days it might snow. Temperatures will drop to -degrees, definitely at night. So I have to light the fire no matter what. And by prognosis, the wind will keep on blowing for a couple of days. And if you had that situation before, the thing with a wood stove is that the wind blows into the chimney all the way down to your stove, and that's where all the smoke will come out. It's not nice. You have to open all your windows, even because you wanted to heat up the inside. Now you have to open the window and let it cool down again. So here's my advice: how to light a fire while it's windy, and we'll see how that goes. It might fill my house with smoke, but especially for her, I want to have it cozy and warm in here because she's on her last days. So that's my first priority, to keep her comfy and nice and warm. Let's try this. Now this is my oven. You see what the flame is doing. As soon as there's a gust of wind, it blows to the inside of the house. If everything is normal, it pulls it towards the chimney. As long as the chimney is cold, the wind will push the smoke down. As soon as your chimney is really hot, it takes really a lot of wind because there's already that much updraft. That means you need to get the fire as hot as possible, as quick as possible. I'm really choosing only the driest of the wood that I have around. Stuff like that. I prefer straight wood to start my fire, but that's the driest thing I'm having at the moment, so I go with that. Oh boy, now I really feel the wind blowing towards me. Not good. I'll use quite a lot of my excellent fire starter. That will be another video soon, because that stuff always starts burning like crazy. That's exactly what we want, what we need. And yeah, dry, bone dry. I'm even adding some cut-offs from construction projects. Some have some lack on, so just I'm doing everything that this fire will blow up. And wind is not constantly blowing. There are always gusts that are the bad thing, and then there are moments where nothing moves out there. Problem is, you never know how long the breaks are, and you just have to go by luck. Like I always check a tree outside and look at the branches if they are moving. I'm not lighting the fire, and then I wait for a quiet moment, then just give it a go and hope for the best. Okay, let's try this. Branches outside, still not moving. So I keep the door here open to give the fire as much air as possible. As long as no smoke is coming out here, I can leave the door open. And gusts are picking up again. Okay, now it starts smoking out from the top. That means closing the door. Now we'll see what will happen. Smoke. That's what I wanted to avoid. But the fire is picking up quite nicely. Bit of wind outside pushes the smoke out the top here. Okay, here it goes again. So let's see who's stronger, fire or the wind. No matter what, she always loved to sit on my lap while starting the fire and enjoying it getting warmer and warmer. But just before, with the last push of smoke, she don't like that, of course. She ran off, then came again. And for now I'm pretty content that this will work out. Branches are moving outside a little bit. And of course I have the whole ventilation open. Also that one is in, and the lever back there. It's all full open, that the fire can develop as quick as possible. It's going really good, so I'll shut that. Oh yeah, chimney pipe, super hot. I think we've done it. It's blowing pretty nasty outside, but no smoke. Fire is nice and hot. Chimney is nice and warm. I would say full success. For today I'll be safe, and I have to repeat that for the next 3 days, where they say it's super windy. But you see, it's possible. I hope I gave you some tips and ideas how to deal with situations like that. If you liked it, like it and subscribe, and see you in the next one. But 2 days later, this is just too much. My window is open and my wood stove is smoking. But actually only in the most extreme gusts. There will be some during the rest of the day. So that's why I leave the window slightly open, that the most of the smoke can go out. And someday tonight I'll have to open all my windows in the whole house to get it really smoke free.